Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to discuss about how to create MySQL instance in AWS and how to connect with that instance using workbench. So first of all, to create an instance in AWS, create an account in AWS first. First thing is create an account in AWS. It's a free account, just you can create. I already created an account, so that let me log in. If you want to check how to create an account in AWS, just watch my previous videos. Just click on the sign in to the console. Yes, once you logged in, it looks like this. Why? Because my password and username already saved for this particular session, so that directly it's visible like this. But otherwise, if you want to check how to log in, let me sign out. Click on the sign in. Choose root user. This is my user ID. Just click on the next and enter this captcha NQT3W5. Capture wrong, no problem. By Wi-Fi to just from here. TH66CF3 and click on submit and enter your password. Okay. Once you logged in, it looks like this. Now the search bar you see the search bar here. Search for the RDS, Relational Database Service. Search for this service. Just click on that. Okay, it takes some time. Don't worry. Okay, once you click on this one, imagine RDS. Here, lost create database is there. Just click on the create database. Now see this. Now you can create the database. The first one, standard create. You can select it. Here, which database you want me to select? MySQL. Okay, based on your requirement, MariaDB. It's like a key value base. If you want to store, you can go with this. Postgres, this is SQL, Oracle, and MySQL. Okay, Microsoft SQL Server. Any one of these one based on your requirement. Once done, choose version. Yes, this is an important. Here, choose free type. Why? Because my account is like a free account. Choose free type. Okay, my database name. My database is nothing but instance name. Okay, MySQL is my instance name. Okay, my username. Okay, generally I'm using the username is like a root. Okay, and my password. Minimum 8 characters you have to give, so that I'm giving like password 8min password. And then okay, so choose micro. Why? Because it's a free account. This is only the free service. The type of the instance is like a micro. And then allocated memory, I don't want 20 GB, 10 GB is enough for me. Okay, come down, don't change any other things. Okay, at last public access, you can say yes. And then see this VPC security group is there. Okay, if you want to select an existing, okay, already I have the security group is existing MySQL secure. Okay, I created already. Just you can use this one. If you don't want, create a new one. Your wish. Create a new one. Okay, here you can create MySQL. Okay, just keep this name in your mind. MySQL. Okay, because already another security group also there with the name like MySQL secure. Our group name is like MySQL. Create a new one. Okay, and come down. Password authentication. And at last, you click on the create database. If I click on the create database, it's take 3 to 4 minutes. So that I don't want to wait that much time. These are the things you have to fill to create an instance. Okay, again I'm telling standard create, you can choose it. MySQL you can choose, and then the version you can take it. Free type you can select. Okay, here the database instance name and then username and password, and then micro you can select. It's like a free service, and then you can give the allocation of how much space you want me to allocate. You can give it, and come down public access is like yes, true. create new or existing, your wish. Okay, if you want to create the new one, choose this one and give the name. If you want existing one, okay, click on this one, select the existing one, select the existing security group. Where exactly we are going to use the security group, I will explain. No worries. Okay, at last, come down, create, click on create database. So if I click on the create database, one instance is going to create here. One instance is going to create here in the DB instances. One instance is going to create like this. Now see this, my instance name is like what? MySQL. Okay, it's take 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, you should have to wait. I don't want to wait, so that I already created in the past. Now this is the instance I created. Perfect. Now if I click on the instance, how we can access this? This is my URL. Okay, this is my URL to access this particular instance. Okay, this is like a host name. On which port number it is running? 3306 is my port number. Okay, what is my username? Username is like a root and my password is like a admin. Admin is the password. So I want to connect with the instance from outside by using MySQL workbench. So let me open MySQL workbench. This is my MySQL workbench software. Okay, it's a GUI representation for MySQL. So that create one more connection. Just click on this one. Okay, here connection name. You can give the connection name like AWS MySQL. AWS MySQL. And then see this, the host name. The host name you have to give this name. You have to give this name. Can I copy this one? Can I paste here the host name? The host name is this one. And my port number 3306. My username is like root. Okay, and then do like this test connection. Okay, it asks for the password. Can I give like my password? Admin is my password. Say okay and click on okay. Now see, successfully made the connection with MySQL or not. Say okay. Okay, now close this one. See, this is my AWS MySQL. If I click on this one, now see how it's visible. Just wait. Now you are connecting with not your local MySQL or something, the MySQL instance where it's created in your AWS, it's created, right? Okay, with that instance you are connecting. Now see this. Finally, it looks like this. Okay, there has one in schema is there. Yes, why? Yes, it's a default one. If you want to create one more schema here, yes, you can create it, or you can, if you want to use something here, yes, you can use it. Okay, now I want to explain one extra thing is like, okay, security groups. Okay, you selected one security group, right? MySQL. See this here only. You can see the security group somewhere. See this MySQL secure. What is the security group means? Okay, here MySQL is running on which port number? That port number you have to yellow. See this in your inbound rules. Come here. Inbound rules. If you see this one, okay, edit inbound rules. Make sure, see this, my port 3306 by default only. Okay, it should be there in your inbound rules. Then only my outside person can access it. Okay, this is the way we can create our MySQL instance in your AWS and connect with your external tool like MySQL workbench. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.